Yo, what is going on YouTube? This video today is going to be showing you how to get mods in Animal Company. This uses a working promo code that you can redeem, and it is going to unlock a secret mod menu in Animal Company, allowing you to do tons of awesome features. You can stun all players, kick all players, block players. You can even spawn RPGs, all weapons, stuff like that, guys. This menu is absolutely awesome, and I'm going to show you how to go ahead and do this. This is working in 2026 using no PC and no Discord, guys. So let's not waste any more time. Let's show you guys how to get mods in Animal Company working right now in 2026. As you can see, I've been using my mobile phone for this. I've been browsing the internet, watching YouTube tutorials and also Google, and I've finally managed to find the best method to get mods in Animal Company. So use your mobile for this. This is a no PC method, but you do need to use your mobile phone just to obtain your Animal Company promo code, and then you can redeem it in the computer and it is going to unlock the mod menu. So what you need to do is go to www.crashcoupons.com. So very important you type it correctly, Crash Coupons, and what it's going to do, guys, is going to bring you to this game code website. They don't only have Animal Company codes, of course. They have pretty much every game, not only VR games, they have console games and stuff. So use the search bar where it says search here and type in Animal Company. You're looking for this promo codes page, guys. There are a few different codes on this page, but what you need to do is scroll down and look for the mod menu code. Here we go, Animal Company mod menu. Get the mod menu for free in Animal Company, and this mod menu is awesome. So click on get code, and what it's going to do, it's going to bring you to this page here, guys. What you need to do now is click on show full code. Now this is a secret mod menu promo code that you can redeem in the computer, and this is an already built in mod menu, but it is going to unlock it. So it says here your code is ready and will be revealed after verification. So you need to unlock your code, guys. This is normal. It prevents people stealing the limited number of codes. So click on get full code, and you're going to be brought to this page, guys, where it says complete 2 tasks to unlock your code. Then it says follow the instructions below each app. So you're going to have a list of tasks here that are all completely free. You need to choose 2 of them, following the instructions to complete each one. The instructions basically tell you exactly what you need to do. These are like free mobile games and applications and stuff. So once you fully complete 2 of them, it's going to send you back to this page on Crash Coupons, and your Animal Company mod menu promo code will be revealed, and you can redeem it in game, and that is going to unlock mods in Animal Company with no PC and no Discord in 2026. Go to Crash Coupons, search for the Animal Company promo codes page, scroll down and select the mod menu code. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next tutorial.